In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes on how we got these cute Valentine's Day themed photos using our iPhone, a few different lighting techniques, and our favorite free apps that we love to use for getting self-timed photos with our little one, along with our favorite editing app. Alrighty, first we're going to go through these photos. So get some cute props. We just ordered these balloons off of Amazon, and you're going to choose a location near a window in your house. And you're going to try and shoot in daylight and turn off any overhead lights because we don't want it casting weird shadows onto your child. And if your kid isn't traumatized by balloons, then throw them around. This little guy here had so much fun with the balloons. We just kept throwing them around. Get low to their angle and kind of shoot up so that you can get them at their perspective. This is what it looks like with the lighting on versus just using natural light. So you see those lights there, turn them off, that's great. Now, if you're home alone with your little one and you want photos with your kid, which you should absolutely do, then download the app LensBuddy. It is a free app that takes a photo to the interval that you set it at. So we had it set up for every 1 second, and there's some different posing ideas in here. So you can cross your legs, you can stretch your legs out, you can bend one leg in and have one up, and then you want them to look kind of candid. So instead of just sitting there staring at the camera, lift your kid up, hug them, kiss them, play with the balloons. This is what the app looks like. And you can see we just have it set to a 1 second interval so that it'll take a photo every second. We don't have a tripod, so we're just literally putting the phone on the edge of a chair and leaning it against a mug, or I guess my water tumbler is what it is. This is a TikTok hack that we saw. You turn your flashlight on your phone and tape a toilet paper roll to it. Now, it should be pitch black in the room, so if your kid has blackout blinds, then shoot in there. It was still daylight here, so the photos didn't turn out exactly how I wanted them to, but it's still a pretty cool effect. The key for this one is you do need 2 phones, so one for the flashlight and then one for the photos. You can't take photos with the flashlight on. You can do the flash, but it will actually just take a photo of inside of the paper roll if you have the flash on. And then this is another lighting effect. So make the house dark and then turn the flash on your camera, and it'll have these super kind of Polaroid disposable camera vibes to them. All right, when you open your camera, it might look like the flash is on up here, but when you click it, if there's enough light, the flash isn't going to go on, and that's because it's on auto flash. So click this arrow up here. This menu will show up, click on the flash, and then on. This will make sure that the flash goes on now when you shoot. Once you have all your photos, bring them into the Famtography Filter app. It is free to download and add your favorite filter. If you found these tips useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have lots more tutorials like this coming.